What's good, C3 fam? Just wanted to give you guys a quick little overview on why some of our charts look like rainbows that are just all over the place and hard to really tell what's going on. So, anyways, let me just break down really quick how we get our charts to look the way that they look. So this is just a basic format before we've gotten too far. Let me undo it so you guys can see what we go for. All right, so here we are in this nice naked chart, right? And right here, we can see that, it looks like a pretty normal chart, but how do we know where our lines are? What do we know? Support, resistance? What about when the next pump's gonna come? That's where our trading view tools come in. You come over here, you go down to your fib retracement. Now, this is going to be how you can tell your support and resistance. And the best way to do a fib retracement is to go from the very bottom to the very top. And so right now you can see right up here, I'm trying to line the top white bar with the peak. And right there, you can see we're playing in a fib already. And then what if we wanted to have our lateral fibs put in? Well, that's going to be in the same spot. You click the arrow out and you get your fib time zones. And the time zones are done the same way. You're going to go from a bottom to a peak. And then that's kind of a way to start getting an idea. Oh, my apologies. A way to get an idea of where the next pump could happen or would be a good spot to anticipate. So you can go from this bottom to this peak. You can stack them, and so you can get multiple reference points. You can go from that bottom to that peak, that bottom to that peak. And also the same goes with your fib retracement. So when you're doing a fib retracement, you can go from here to there. And that's when you'll start seeing correlations or overlapping on your charts. And so then you can start plugging in actual hard lines. And where things overlap, you can plug in your hard lines and then take out all of your fibs. So you could tell right here is a pretty confident line at 25K. So that's kind of what, in my opinion, is going to be our vital. If we stay above 25K, the game's still on. If we fall below it, I think it's time to hibernate for a minute. Anyways, I just wanted to take the time to explain to you guys why our charts kind of look a little bit confusing and challenging to look at. Also, another quick little indicator on our charting is we do like to just kind of take moves like this, a move that's happened from a peak to a bottom, and then take that exact move and apply it to where we're at now. And so therefore you can see that if we were to mimic our January 2018 to January 2019 bear cycle, it would put us somewhere around this March 21 to about May, April of 2022, and would keep us kind of roughly around where we're at. I ideally end at about a $40,000 to $44,000 Bitcoin before our next rally or bull run. So, I mean, worst case scenario still doesn't look that bad. It may be a little bit longer than some of us were anticipating or looking forward to. But still, I think that we may have bearish moments to a bull cycle, and some of those bearish moments may end up taking longer than they need to, or longer than we'd expect them to. They will take as long as they need to. Poor wording on my choice. Anyways, also wanted to make a shout out to you guys. We did get our website up and published. We're here to help any of you that are getting new into the space, that want to understand these charting more, that they want to, if you have questions, if you already understand charting and you want to take yourself to the next level or excel in more advanced tools, we're here for you. We want to be that resource. So please check us out at c3crypto.com. We have a sale going on. All of our packages are at least 50% off right now. We plan on only holding this sale through the next month. So after that, we will continue to remove our sales and go back to normal pricing. Just wanted to give you guys an opportunity to get the help that you need and the assistance that you would like in order to be able to excel in a market that inevitably is going up. And whether we break out of this bear cycle right now and jump into a bull market, or if it takes us 4 to 6 months to break out of this bear cycle and go back into a bull movement, either way, this is on an upward trajectory, and this is the way you start your future today, is by investing and getting into assets that are going to increase in the long run and not decrease or from inflation. And so there are many assets that a lot of us are holding right now that I can guarantee is going to be worth less in the future. And the best thing to do is to make sure that you're not holding that asset, but that you're holding the asset that you believe will proportionately increase in its value. So like I said before, and like we constantly remind you guys, we are not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. All of our material is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. We're here for help, we're here for fun, and we're here to have a good time. So C3, stay C3, cool, calm, collected, and safe tradings, my people. Over and out.